Greetings and salutations, my name is JW608, and today I am playing StarMade. And we are back with the factory ship. And let's see, what am I doing? We did power, we did shields. Chambers. Let's do chambers today. Let's see, what type of chambers do we need? Well, first of all, we're going to need some conduit. Then let's point at the power thingy and hit R. Let's see, we don't really need a stealth chamber. No, recon chamber. What's in the mash chamber? Oh, that's station stuff. Never mind. FTL chamber. Would maybe having an auto charge jump, that would be nice. It's 10%. Auto charge would be nice. Not really defense, power, mobility, logistics. There we go. We definitely need a mining bonus. That's 50. And or scanner. So I'm up to 60. So recon chamber. Or scanner. That'll take us up to 80. Alright. So we need how many? I need 2 logistics chambers for ore scanner. We need 2 for ore scanner. I just said that. Oh, come on. We need 2 two for faster than light, and I don't want mobility. What was the other one I wanted? Logistics. And 1 for mining bonus. So I need 5 chambers. So what did I want? I wanted a FDL chamber. I wanted a logistics chamber and a recon chamber. How big do these things need to be? They need to be 1,500 blocks. So let's see. Is that 100? 100 fit. 100 will fit nicely there. So that's 100. And that's 2,000. No, it isn't. It's 13. Size 2. Oh. It is. Duh. It needs 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. And let's do. I can't math right now. Let's see. Needs 500 more blocks. Needs 500 more blocks. 4, 5. We're just going to fit these in beside these stabilizers. So now we have the FTL ready. Yeah, I know what that does. Go away! Alright. Now I need to connect this chamber to the main reactor, and we will do so like this. Alright. So, needs a regular old base jump drive and jump auto charge. Awesome. So then I needed 1 logistics chamber, I believe. And then 1,500. That's 1 small step for man. 2, 3. Needs 150 more blocks. Oh, because those are not pointing out to the side. 150, 115 more blocks. There we go. It is functional. So let's attach you here. And you get to be specify chamber mining bonus. And that has to be a level 2 mining bonus. Now for I don't want recon chambers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need. Where is it? Functional. What size? Oh, wow. It's functional. You know it's functional because right in this region it says functional. Size is 24 over 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. There we go. Alright, so we will connect you here and you here. We'll go to the recon chamber, specify as a standard old recon chamber, and specify you as an ore scanner. Alright. So now let's throw the scanner on here and the jump drive. We'll put the jump drive further down. And put the rail dockers. 663 and 66. Oh, that maybe they'll give me like numbers or something. And I need to figure out which rail docker is which. All right. So we got our mining bonus. We have our faster than light jump auto charge. We have ore scanner. So let's test all this stuff out. See, what's my thrusters look like? They're kind of square, and no, that's not what I meant. Thruster. My thrust is 0.3 mass to thrust, which is unacceptable. So we might throw in a few thrusters, but not quite yet. I'm going to make sure all my chambers are working. So let's... Oh, I turned off asteroids in my navigation field because I was tired of all the little arrows. Let's hit our scanner computer. Let's charge it up. Takes 12%. And we fired. All right. It is an asteroid rich in rammet, Surtees. 1700 rammet. Oh, come on. Or again, 1700 rammet, 1900 Surtees, 71,000 blocks altogether. What about this one? Yeah, you. Not you. You. It's an asteroid rich in rammet and Surtees, 73,000 blocks altogether. But when I fire my scanner, it should tell me under that 1900 rammet, 1900 Surtees. That's not bad. 1953 rammet and all that good stuff. And so now let's motivate ourselves over this general direction. Do I have a camera on this? I do have a camera on this. Why is it up here? Oh. Let's just shoot it. No, no, stop, stop. Go. I'm just going to slowly just start eating away at it. I'm going to assume my mining bonus is working. Alright, I guess I could take 1933, mine the whole thing, and see that it's 1933 of, well, I forget what mineral it was now. And I bet there's something, no, there's nothing processing. Yep, everything's off. And my blinking light telling me that the blinking light might be a little extreme. Oh, no, 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 no. Tell you what, let's do something like this. There we go, that cuts down on the big flash. There, now it isn't as glaring. There, now it's more of an indicator light than everything flashing yellow on the floor. StarMade lights are weird somehow, and they're sometimes in the way they react. Alright. I need to put more flashing lights on for my mining lasers. Salvage beams, whatever. Alright, let's turn that off, and let's also make sure auto charge is running. It is. Alright. I don't consume very much power. Of course, I also have my reactor kind of beefy. And I think that's it for systems. No, that is untrue. Thrusters. Thrusters. And then the question of weapons. I don't think I'm going to have a primary gun. I might slap some turrets on it. That probably seems like a better choice. Just right offhand is throwing some turrets on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Alright, that was not exactly what I intended. I meant to do like this. So 20. Come on, 20. 25. Alright. And my thrust to mass has now gone to 0.5. Oh yeah. Raking in that thrust. Let's see, how do I want this to actually look? Always been a fan of twin thrusters. Kind of long and kind of there. And I'm gonna need this to be much more than I actually need, because I haven't even begun to armor this thing or hull it or anything. Now it's not gonna get super duper fancy armor. Let's probably get some standard on it. It's not gonna be plated in gold or advanced or anything of that nature, because it is a mining vessel, not a combat vessel. If I think there's a chance of getting involved in combat, I will send support with it. And, well, then I'll have a couple turrets, probably an AMS turret on either side and one of my bigger turrets, my anti-fighter turrets, at least one, probably 2 or 3 anti-fighter turrets. So surprise pirates won't be too bad. There we go. This huge area right here. Alright. So I will fill those with thrusters as needed. Oh, yeah, that's more like it. You have way too many thrusters. Yes, because I don't have any armor on it. Or the rest of my interiors. So this thing's going to get heavy, and it's going to get heavy fast. Alright. Alright, that works. I have been JW608. This is the all the systems done of my factory mining ship. And I guess I could just use it as a mining ship on servers that don't allow factories, because they get cranky with them. Or they load them in without the factories or whatever. It's good. Good sized vessel. Not a particularly fast miner, but, yeah, such is life. So mine a little more. I am a dwarf and I'm mining an asteroid. Mining asteroid. Mining an asteroid. Alright. I don't even know what the range on the beams are anymore. Can I hit that asteroid back there? I can. Look, see the block count in the top left is going down. I didn't realize it had this much range. Any more, any less, anything like that. Alright, let's see here. Let's stop rotation and let's build mode fly out there. Yeah. I wonder if the range actually goes the whole length of the beam now. It seems like it used to not. The beams would extend beyond its range, but I might be remembering that wrong. That's quite the distance. Alright. Now this is not going to be great for spot mining, but for vacuum mining, it'll be fine. In fact, I can even go in and I can hit X and it'll take me back, snap me back to the ship. Where am I? Oh, I'm in the bridge, facing backwards. Well, let's turn on the capsule refinery and the paint machine. I'm not going to be able to do any basic armor because I don't have any Furtikine. But now at least I'll be making blue paint while I, blue paint? Be making blue paint while I mine, because that's what you use Larimar for. Or to start wars on certain servers. Alright, anyway, probably the longest outro I've ever done in my life. I have been JW608, this has been StarMade, and this has been my factory ship. It's functionally done, it just needs interiors and exteriors. And we'll work on that. Probably work on the interiors together, and I don't like doing exteriors on camera, but we'll see. Anywho, I'll dig you cats later.